I'm so excited. We're trying this pink hair from CelieHair. Please correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But guys, I'm so excited because I never really tried a pink hair. Okay, like I always do red, you know, like ginger, burgundy, but pink hair, never tried. But what I love about this hair is that the frontal came a little bit plucked already, just like a little bit, and it came bleached already, you know, so I didn't really have to do all that long process. So you know, it comes with oh my god, it came with clippings. It came with clippings, you know, all around it, and I personally love it. I love it because it came straight already. I didn't really have to do much. Now when they send you the hair, they'll send you with gifts, guys, with gift. Like, I love the fact that they send me a comb, you know, they send me edges, brushes. Like, I didn't have to go to the corner store anymore. Before I start with the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, you know. Of course they also sent me a band, like a headband, you know. I feel like it's important when brands send you those things because you don't have to go to the corner store anymore, honestly. Alright, so this is what the band looks like. You know, it's blue with butterflies. I think they are butterflies. And they sent me lashes. Yeah, I love those lashes because they look so natural but also a little bit long, you know. And they sent me this hot comb, which it helped me a lot, you know, because I always lose all my accessories. Am I the only one who loses all the accessories? And they sent me 2 wig caps. And let me see what else they gave me. They sent me these hair clippings, which, oh my god, guys, they're so helpful. They are so helpful. Why? Because honestly, like when you're doing your edges or you want to part your hair, those help you a lot. And of course, edges brush is very important in the wig community. Okay, everything's gonna be under the description below, you know, all the things that I'm gonna be using. Right now I'm just gonna be cutting, you know, the lace, honestly, the lace, yeah. So boom, this part, what I'm doing is I'm honestly just using powder. I used to use foundation, but I feel like when you use foundation, bro, you literally just waste all your foundation, and that's mad unnecessary, honestly. So I'm gonna go with my Gatsby glue, boom boom boom, 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 boom. I decided to do a side part. I think would look better, but you can also do a middle part with this, you know, with this wig. It's up to you how you want to style it, honestly.
We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand. Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a roll. Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Alright, so boom. I don't know where did I went. Y'all. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so boom. Right now we're going to be using the stick, the wax stick. This just helps your hair to stay, in hold. And it helps a lot, cause sometimes you want to show, your edges, the lace. Now this item helps, the hair to stay in place. As you guys saw it, I didn't have to do a lot of work with this hair. It was very easy to put it on, and for the middle part, for the side part, I just use concealer on that one part, just to make sure it looks a little bit natural. A wig is a wig, but of course I went with a little bit of straight iron, not a lot, just a little bit. And you can also curl this hair too.